Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with the gemstone Yellow Aventurine, the stone of self-worth. For those who have watched my meditations before, welcome back. I really appreciate your support, your curiosity to sit with different gemstones and see how you feel about them. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, listening to the qualities that it could support in your life, and deciding if it's a gemstone that you would like to work with some more. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal wisdom benefits of Yellow Aventurine, then I will link that in the eye above. So if you're curious, you would like to hear more about the supportive benefits, then you can pause this video and watch it. But also, if you have a piece of Yellow Aventurine, it's a good time to pause the video and go get that gemstone, but you don't need a piece of this stone to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the prompts that I bring up during the meditation really call to you, they feel familiar, or maybe they trigger you a little bit, then that's a sign that you should get some Yellow Aventurine and work with it some more. So the only other thing that you'll need before we start the guided meditation is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone, or you're ready to picture a yellow gemstone in your mind and you have your comfortable seat, then let's begin. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to how it feels to breathe right now in your body. Is it open and easy, or constricted, stuttering? How does it feel? And then bring your awareness to your physical body and notice if there are any physical sensations that stand out to you right now. And then bringing your awareness then to your heart center and noticing what emotions may be with you right now. And then bringing that attention up to your mind and just noticing the quality, the status of your mind right now. Is it busy? Is it calm? Is it distracted? And we're not trying to change anything, fix it, make it something else. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And And then bringing your focus down to those parts of your body that touch the chair or the cushion or the floor beneath you. To remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth, sitting directly over its center. You have access to all of Earth's energies, so you are supported and protected during this guided meditation today. And then if you do have a piece of the yellow aventurine, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand. It will receive the energies of the gemstone today. And take a moment to feel your gemstone in your hand, to notice its weight and how the surface feels, if it's rough, if it's smooth, if there are chips anywhere. And take a minute to get to know your piece of yellow aventurine. And if you don't have a piece of the stone, then picture, a mild yellow gemstone in your mind. And imagine your entire energy body is made up of brilliant, shining golden energy. And this represents that pure preciousness of your soul. And sit with this image of yellow aventurine energy for a minute. Yellow aventurine is the stone of self-worth. And as you sit and hold the gemstone in your hand, or picture it in your mind, then consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Are you currently experiencing low self-esteem and self-worth? Do you feel pressured or this deep desire to have the approval of others? Have you recently experienced something that damaged your confidence? Do you have trouble trusting yourself and making decisions? Do you feel off kilter or unbalanced or lost for no apparent reason? If one of these scenarios stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to your heart, your body, your mind, because yellow aventurine is the stone of self-worth and it will support you in all of these situations. So sit with that situation for another minute or two as you hold the gemstone. And notice if anything changes about the way that you feel about that situation as you hold the stone. And then bringing your attention back to your heart and your body and mind, and notice if anything feels different since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the yellow aventurine energy and the situation that you were sitting with, and just come back to your breathing. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for sitting with me today to sit in meditation with yellow aventurine. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like yellow aventurine is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, then these meditations were meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can quickly call up the support of the yellow aventurine right when you need it. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal wisdom into your everyday life. Knowing which life situations you'd like support with, which gemstones will help you, and sitting with them on a regular basis so that you can discover your own personal inner wisdom to help you improve your life. And if you are brand new to the channel, I post about a different gemstone every single week, so you can get a really in-depth look at how these many crystals and gemstones can help you navigate your life challenges. So if you are interested in learning more about that, then make sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again next week.